Good morning everyone and welcome back to another video from the Francophile. It's Jalen and Maria and we hope you all are doing well. We're two Americans who live and work in France. It's Saturday here in Palaiseau and we have a few errands to run. We're going to take you all along with us, so let's get started.
It's just about lunchtime, so before we go anywhere today, we're going to throw together everything that we have in the fridge from this week into a pasta dish and eat lunch, and then we'll get going. To run our first errand, and we're actually going to our local mall, which we are lucky enough to live within walking distance of, so we're going to walk there and back. First thing that we need is some fans for our home. It's getting very warm, it's June, and we don't have air conditioning, we don't have any fans, so it's hot and stuffy where we live right now, so fans need to be brought in ASAP.
We're headed to a store called Darty. It's a household appliances store. We actually got our washing machine and our dishwasher from there, so we're hoping that they'll have some fans that we like as well. All right, so we made it to Darty and we are looking for the fans. So we're looking for a fan that is called a tower fan. Usually in our apartments, we've had regular sort of circular fans, but this time we're looking for something a little different. So hopefully they have it. We've seen one, but most of the fans they have are just normal circular fans. So, all right, so we chose these ones here. We're gonna get two of them because I don't think one's enough for the space that we have in the house.
We got the fans, and now we're gonna go to the inside part of the mall because I'm all out of foundation and I need some more.
Fans check, makeup check. Now it's time to take it all back home.
We are on part 2 of our errands. We had planned to go to the pharmacy to get a couple of things, sunscreen, facial cleanser. We also had to add another trip because while we were getting the fans out of the boxes, we noticed that there were screws that need to be screwed in and we don't have a screwdriver. Yeah. So we're gonna go somewhere to try to find a screwdriver after we hit the pharmacy.
stuff in here. We just found the screwdrivers right behind us, but we're gonna look around because it's actually pretty interesting and they have all sorts of things to buy here. Had to go get some cash because there was a minimum to use your card. Got it. We can put together the fans now. All right, so we made it back home and we wanted to show you everything that we got from the pharmacy.
So the first thing that we picked up was a face sunscreen. I picked this one because it's supposed to be good for sensitive eyes, and I always have trouble with sunscreen stinging my eyes all day. So I got that one specifically for that. We'll see how it goes. And then we got the matching larger bottle to use for our bodies because clearly that small one is not going to be enough. And then we were also out of our face wash. This is what we had before. And we decided to get the same product again, but we got the big one this time because we really liked it.
And we also got this bar of soap, which is Savon de Marseille. It's a type of soap that we really like. This one is cherry scented, which we've never used before. And of course, like we always get when we go to the pharmacy, or really often actually, we get free things. Sometimes it's a sample, but this time
even without asking also.
Yeah, without asking. But this time we got a bag for the beach.
Cute.
It's nice, yeah.
It's pretty big.
Yeah, it's actually pretty big. It's got little fishies.
Yeah, show the pattern. How cute.
So yeah, that's everything we got from the pharmacy, and now I'm gonna use the screwdriver that we bought to go build the fans. Let's see if this thing works. Perfect. All right, so it's about dinner time, and on Saturdays we really like to go out to a restaurant or just get something, you know, that we don't make ourselves. And so tonight we are going to get some sushi. It's going to be delicious, and it's also Maria's favorite food. Dinner was so delicious. We had tons of yummy sushi, and now we're hurrying home because we have to be there for our grocery delivery. And we got these candies. Got home just in time to get the grocery delivery, and here's the haul. Maria's setting it up for a picture because we're doing a blog post on the service that we use for grocery delivery. So yeah, there it all is. We have finished everything that we planned for the day. So I think now we're just gonna kind of have a chill night, maybe watch some TV and then go to bed. And since today was really productive, I think tomorrow's gonna be more chill. So we'll see what we get into. Good night. Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday, and like every Sunday, we are going to be cleaning the house today, but we also have some other things to do. We'll be making lunches for the rest of the week that's to come, getting our stuff ready for the work week, and working on the blog as well. We have articles to write and videos to edit, so we're going to be doing that, and we'll see what else we get into as well. right, so the house is all clean now, and we are going to be kind of doing our own things. Maria is going to paint her nails and then do a little baking, and I'm going to take out the recycling and work on the blog. So one thing that we do on Sundays typically is we prepare our lunches for the week, and this week we have decided to make a pasta salad. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So for this pasta salad, we're gonna be using a base of ricotta and spinach tortellini. We've got mozzarella cheese, onion, tomato, pepper. We even have some basil that we're gonna use in it, and just for me, a little bit of rosette.
Now finished everything that we had to do today, including eating dinner and scheduling a blog post. And so now all we have left to do is go to sleep and get ready for tomorrow, which is Monday and a work day.
We hope that you all enjoyed hanging out with us this weekend. And please don't forget to follow us on all of our social media. We do have Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and our blog. And we will see you all in 2 weeks.
Bye.
Bye.